Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mandy. I'm a spiritual life coach, a content creator, and a lover of all things wellness, healthy lifestyle, and workout related. And if you're new here, this is the space for you to create a body and a life that you absolutely love. So today I feel so excited. My friends at Freebeat sent me one of their amazing boom bikes to review for y'all. And as y'all know, if you do know me, I'm such a fit girly. I love trying out new workouts and just new anything fitness and wellness related. And funny little backstory before I get into the review. You guys know I am an absolute lover of manifestation, and I had actually started looking into getting myself a spin bike because I live in a condo, and here in Canada, you know, the weather is not always predictable. It's not always sunny and nice to go on my hot girl walks. So as another form of working out or cardio, I had started researching them, and for some reason I started looking into it and then I totally forgot about it. Of course, the way that higher power works, Freebeat ended up reaching out to me and wanted to send me their latest boom bike for review, and I was like, well, why not? Why wouldn't I want to test it and then share it with you guys out there? I know so many of you watching are also always looking at ways to keep yourself healthy and also feeling better, which we know exercise does. So for those of you who watch the video today and want to get a boom bike for yourself, I am going to put a link in the video description below. It's going to actually get you $100 off the purchase of this already very affordable bike, and on top of that, you guys will get a full review today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I have so many amazing videos coming up for y'all. Everything from workouts to wellness and healthy lifestyle videos. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the little bell notification so that you are able to be the first to know when I have new videos coming out, and give this video a like so that it pops it up in the algorithm. And without further ado, guys, let's get into today's video. Okay, now in terms of the setup, because I know a lot of y'all out there, especially if you're fit girlies, you're probably like, what does this entail? So, I mean, everything does come in the box. I'm not even going to try to deny that I did not have help setting this up. I did. But that being said, that is just because I feel better not setting these kinds of things, putting these kinds of things together on my own. I'd rather have someone help and or put them together more so. And they do suggest having someone on hand because, you know, there's a little bit of a coordination here with putting the parts together. But quite honestly, from the looks of, you know, what came in the box to putting it all together, if you're someone who's really efficient at putting things together, I really honestly feel like you could probably just do it on your own. I don't think having a second person is absolutely mandatory per se. So the setup was relatively quick, simple, and easy, which is amazing. And same with setting up the programs, as I'll get into later in the video. But yeah, it was a really quick, easy, simple setup process, so easy breezy. So one of the things I absolutely adore about the boom bike is that it does actually have the smart light strips under the bike itself, and it totally reminds me of the vibe of being in like a super amazing high vibe spin class with the lights going off. I don't think I've seen another bike with a light strip like that. So that's a really cool feature that it offers. Another thing that I absolutely love about the boom bike is because I live in a condo, I absolutely did not want a huge piece of fitness equipment taking up a lot of space. So I was really excited and I felt so happy when I saw how much it did not take up very much of the room, and it literally is so cute and compact. I was really pleasantly surprised by the size of it. So if you're someone like me and you live in a smaller space, then you don't have to worry about it taking up way too much of your already limited space. I absolutely love that this bike is so unique to the individual rider and the rider's experience. So this bike actually does have an auto resistance system, and I mean, if you're someone who's really into spinning, you know how important that feature is. It literally takes cues and it adjusts accordingly. This bike also has smart saddle detection, so via its sensors, it can detect when you're in and out of the saddle, which I just think blows my mind. Another feature I absolutely adore about the Boom Bike is this baby right here. This screen seamlessly rotates so you can go between cycling, strength training, and stretching seamlessly. And on that note, there are literally hundreds of online classes that you can choose from, and with the all access Freebeat membership, you are able to have up to, I believe, 10 different memberships under the same account. So what that means is if you guys have family members or you have guests, they can sign up and they can access as well, and that just makes for a really fun time. So one of the features that I feel most excited about using this bike is the virtual Oasis experience. And this feature is something you would typically see in a premium, more expensive smart bike, but the Freebeat at the price point it's at actually does offer this gamification feature, which allows you to flow and follow with the beat as well as compete with family and friends. So I think that's a really kind of cool thing to have in a smart bike. So this bike is not just amazing for the cycling, obviously. In terms of the workouts themselves, obviously I am a yoga, Pilates, fitness instructor myself, and I have literally been to oodles of classes over the years. So I would consider myself an expert, and I feel like they offer a really beautiful range of different classes to partake in from world-class instructors. The classes themselves range from usually around 15 to 30 minutes, and there is a great variety offered. So if you're someone who doesn't just want to spin, you do have the option of taking part in their workouts as well. The classes themselves are definitely very interactive, very fun to follow along with. And in terms of the level or the, I would gauge it around a beginner to medium. That's just how I feel. There's my little phone dinging. Yeah, we're accurate on that, Mandy, right? Confirmation. So I would say, yeah, I really enjoyed the classes. There is, again, a great variety, so you can switch it up. So just one last note, working with these guys and experiencing the whole thing from delivery, setup, experiencing all of it, I just want to say this company, Freebeat, with their Boom Bike, everything they're about, I just so appreciate as a company. From the moment we connected, they were so easy to work with. And the thing that I love about them is the fact that I just feel in my heart they really do care about giving people the right foundation to really help them get into the best shape. And that's why they have, not just spin, they offer all the classes, but the whole process is really made simple, easy, and really convenient, knowing how busy people are nowadays. And the price point, you really can't go wrong. The fact that I'm a very high caliber lady, I like my, fancy, high quality things. And the fact that they offer this bike with so many premium features that are so similar to, say, a Peloton, the high-end bikes with the more high-end price, but they offer it at such an amazing steal of $699, plus you get the $100 off. And then you can even get, sometimes they have extra specials, so it even is less than that deal that I can offer you guys today. For me, that's just such a win-win-win. You're getting high quality at the best price, and you're getting all the premium features, so you're not sacrificing quality to get a deal. So speaking on costs right now, pretty much any health or fit device that I've ever purchased usually does come with a monthly membership fee. So to access the Freebeats monthly membership, again, these guys are winning on the price point. They're considered, in my opinion, and how I feel about like the different pricing I've seen with these bikes and otherwise for other fit devices. They are, I believe, $49 Canadian per month. You guys will actually get 45 days free if you do go through the link in the video description below and you do decide to purchase it. So you will get 45 days access for free to test it out, try it out, and see how you like that. But that is really on the lower end of what I've seen some of these monthly memberships actually cost. So again, they're trying to get you the best deal, give you guys that gift of being healthy in the least expensive way for these kinds of things. And so again, if you want to get the $100 off and you want to get the 45 days free membership with the amazing boom bike from Freebeat, I will put the link in the video description below for y'all to take advantage of that. So again, guys, I'm just feeling so happy that Freebeat sent me their amazing boom bike, because y'all know how much I am such a proponent of starting your day on a positive note, and this bike literally, I would be shocked if you do not have like the highest vibe after a ride or doing their other workouts. The vibes are just super high. So I feel like it just changes your whole day when you have an amazing start to your day in your morning routine. And these guys are a great way to implement fitness, fun, and cardio, like a cardio party, and just set yourself up for an amazing day. So guys, that is my review on the Freebeat spin bike, and if you do decide to get your spin on with me, that would be amazing. If you don't, I hope that this video at least left you feeling a little lighter and brighter today. So on that note, I love connecting with you all on social media. I'm at MandyJRoss. Go ahead and connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all the places, Twitter, everywhere. I love doing that. My website is www.mandyjross.com for all my coaching and services. And on a final note, I just want to say I'm so excited to be having so many new videos coming out soon. So please do go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the little notification bell so you'll be the first to know when new videos are coming out, always. And just hit the like button so other people can be uplifted and inspired in this entire beautiful world of ours. Okay guys, on that note, as always, I am wishing y'all a blessed and beautiful day out there.